Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Mini Cooper S. It's in fantastic condition. It has a really comprehensive service history, and it's just going to be serviced. It's just going to be MOT'd. It's got the lovely JCW pack all around it. Really beautiful car to drive as well. As you can see, it's got the JCW front bumper. It's got a lot of extras on it as well. Upgraded alloy wheels, black pack, so black mirrors, black roof. Got the JC John Cooper Works side sill all across there. Mini Cooper Works exhaust. Look at that, really lovely condition. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the parcel shelf. Wolf leather interior. It's got the chili pack. Aux USB. Just start it up. Sounds lovely and quiet. 6-speed gearbox. It's 113,831 miles. Got the light pack, heated seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity. Love these little minis. Oh, even got cruise control on this. John Cooper Works steering wheel. Really has been John Cooper Works up this car at DJH, or full dealer facilities. And if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.